Mike was frustrated. His phone was dead, and for some reason, it just wouldn't charge. He tried different outlets, unplugged, replugged, nothing. Then he realized the cable wasn't connected to the power source. Isn't that like us? Sometimes we feel empty, drained, burned out. We try everything, more distractions, more effort, but nothing works. Because we're not plugged in to the source, God. Just like the phone, you can only recharge when you're truly connected. Stay plugged in. Pray, read, trust. Isaiah 40:31. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength.